Sweat. Wook Capone. Gang. Wook Capone. Gang.
Yeah, I've been going through changes. I've been going through changes. Yeah.
You
I've been
niggas know what
living
the
like
fuck going
dangerous.
on.
I've been
Yeah.
living like dangerous. Yeah. I've been
Back with
going
this
through
shit.
changes. I've been going through changes.
Forever going in like I'm rich, I'm in Quan or some shit. Look,
I've been going through changes. I've been going through changes. Yeah. I be living like dangerous. I be hanging with gangsters. Yeah. I've been going through changes. I be living like dangerous. I be hanging with gangsters. I be hanging with gangsters. Yeah. I've been going through changes. I was living like dangerous. I was hanging with them gangsters. Yeah. I was living like dangerous. Yeah. Going through changes. I was going through changes. Yeah. I was going through changes. I was living like dangerous. Yeah. Tell me what it takes just to blow with this rap shit. Fuck all the haters who say I don't smash. Why I wanna make it, can't go back to trapping. Chasing my dreams, ain't got time for the lacking. Yeah, I done made mistakes, yeah, I done lost my grace. Yeah, I was out of place, bro, done got court days. But I never lost my way, I never lost my face. I'm trying to get this cake, I see a lot of snakes. Gotta keep working hard, no, I can't say no break. Gotta go get this cake, gotta stay out the way. Yeah, keep saying that he see his prophecy. I'm trying to see what God got in store for me. Try to pray every night, hoping God hearing me. It's fuck the devil, he don't put no fear in me. Been going through changes, been living like dangerous free. All my niggas locked down in them cages. So much pain inside, man, this shit is outrageous. The way that I rap, man, I swear it's contagious. I stand on my own, yeah, they call me courageous. These niggas, they snitching, they writing them statements. I gotta go harder, yeah, I'm built for greatness. Yeah, they want my spot, but I swear they won't take it. FaceTime with a bitch and I got her ass naked. Hit her ass from the back, now I got her that shake. Well, lately I've been going through it. This is real life, I know it ain't a movie. Yeah, I get mad sometimes, I know I'm ruthless. Thugging in these streets, mama never knew it. Couldn't break her heart, so I left the clues. I know the shit I did, it was stupid. Pops knew on the low what I was doing. Now I make songs, got these bitches grooving. My life with no life, that's just how we moving. I've been going through changes, yeah. I be living like dangerous. I be hanging with gangsters, yeah. I been going through changes. I be living like dangerous, yeah. I be hanging with gangsters. I be hanging with gangsters, yeah. I been going through changes. I was living like dangerous. I was hanging with them gangsters, yeah. I was living like dangerous, yeah. Going through changes. I was going through changes, yeah. I was going through changes. I was living like dangerous, yeah. I know what it feel like to be broke. Was only 12 when I jumped out the porch. I was hitting houses and I was selling dope. I be stressing bad, but I'm too young for a stroke. For that shit, my daddy died from a stroke. So sit with this rap, I can't fold, I can't choke. I'm a real nigga, fake nigga, take note. Said I was gon' make it, can't die being post. Swipe life or no life, and that's just how I go. Swipe life or no life, and that's just how I go.
sweat.
Changes. I've been going through changes, yeah. I be living like dangerous. I be hanging with gangsters, yeah. I been going through changes. I be living like dangerous, yeah. I be hanging with gangsters. I be hanging with gangsters, yeah. I been going through changes. I was living like dangerous. I was hanging with them gangsters, yeah. I was living like dangerous, yeah. Going through changes. I was going through changes, yeah. I was going through changes. I was living like dangerous, yeah.
Going through changes. I was going through changes. I was going through changes, yeah. Wook Capone.